In front of me is ALCATEL 1 from 2022, and let me show you how to activate the installation of apps from unknown sources. So at first, enroll the list of all apps, go to Settings then. Now find and select apps right here, and click on Special App Access. And here, just go a bit lower and mark Install Unknown Apps. And right here you can manage unknown sources. So whenever you wish to download something via Google Chrome, just mark it and then tap on Allow from the source. And that's it. Obviously, you can do it for any other source. Smoothly mark, click on the switcher, and that's it. So this is how you can activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.